Good morning, children. Today we will read 7th lesson of your literature book, A Stormy Adventure. This lesson has been written by Neeta Berry. Neeta Berry was a journalist and an author of children book. Before starting this lesson, I want to ask you some question. My first question is, have you ever experienced a sea voyage? Do you think it is enjoyable, exciting, frightening, difficult? Children, you have to give its answer in the comment box. Everyone can give different answers according to their own opinion. And if you have not experienced a sea voyage till now, you can think, if you will go to sea voyage, how you will experience. Will you feel enjoyable? Will you feel exciting? Will you feel frightening, or will you feel difficult? Whatever will be your answer, you can give it. Second question is, work in pairs and write a few words related to the sea. Two words are already given, ship and waves. Third word I am giving to you, lifeboats. Fourth word, water animals. And rest of the words you will write yourself. What does the title A Stormy Adventure suggest about the story is my third question. A stormy adventure. It is clear that this is the story about an adventurous journey which is stormy, means which has a storm also. Okay, children? This story is very long. In one of my video, I have given long reading of this lesson with the summary, but in this video, I will give you only a brief summary of this story. This story is very long, you can see. For your convenience, I am giving just a brief story. Okay? For this long one, so that you can understand it easily. Let's come to the first page, from where the story is beginning. Here. Now, listen the story carefully. The story opens with the journey of a ship. MV Trishna, you can see the name here. MV Trishna is going to Philippines. Vishal and his sister Rohini are also on the ship. You can see. Vishal's father is a captain of the ship, Captain Kumar. The ship is going to help the people of the Philippines. The Philippines got a violent typhoon. Typhoon is a storm. However, the story becomes exciting when violent waves comes down on the ship. Due to waves, the ship begins to lurch, roll down. Rohini gets scared and hides under bedclothes. She became seasick, means she feel vomiting tendency, stomach ache, etc., etc. So she got pills and slept. Vishal becomes unsteady and walks in a trembling way. The captain warns them to stay in the room, but the situation becomes worse. The engine room gets a hole and water comes into the room. One side of the ship begins to sink. Captain Kumar was worried. Then the ship changes the direction. The captain orders his crewmen to change the direction, though there is risk. Everyone tries to stop the leak, but all in vain. Then suddenly Vishal got an idea. He reminded an incident he met in the city Okhla when he was going for a tour with his friends. Vishal requests his father to bring the ship near the bank so that they can easily repair the hole. The captain orders all and then blocks the leak with wooden plug and cement. Thus they reach the destination safely. And only because of Vishal's idea, the ship Trishna was saved. Okay, children, this was the story. I think you liked the story. If you like it, like my channel, subscribe it, comment on it, share it with your friends. Thank you.